Subscribe English Guru and hit the bell icon and let us help you boost up your confidence by speaking English.
Did you hear about Jessie and Brat?
No, what's going on?
They're getting a divorce.
Really? They've been married for 10 years.
Well, I overheard Brat cheated on Jessie.
That is awful.
I know, Brat had an extramarital affair with his secretary since she joined.
You must be kidding. Jessie and Brad have been in a relationship since high school.
That's absolutely true, but things get changed after some time.
I feel so pity for her, though.
Me either. She is a very good person with many talents. She can live her life by her own.
You are right. Yet, whatever just happened with her was so hateful.
I wish she get through with all of her problems soon.
Yes, I wish so.
Are you going to meet her?
Not too soon. Maybe she needs a space for a while.
Okay, then call me when you meet her.
Sure, bye.
Have you heard about Sam?
No, I haven't. What happened?
Sam has just got promoted as a marketing manager.
Oh, wow. I didn't hear this news. Maybe he will tell me later.
I overheard from his colleague saying that he is going to throw a promotional party at his home and only a few people from office are invited.
Would I be invited?
I have no clue, buddy.
I guess I will be invited as we were in the same department.
Then count yourself in.
Yes, but it depends. When is he going to throw party?
Why is that?
Because I will be in Rome for my business trip after couple of days.
Oh, I see. When will you return?
I guess it takes nearly 4 days to come back.
Will you go shopping?
If I will have enough time to spare, I don't mind shopping.
That's great.
Of course, I think I've got to go get ready for my business trip.
Okay, have a happy journey.
Thanks, John. See you later.
Hey Julie. Hi Sarah, what's going on? Did you know Stephanie has got engaged last week? What? Is it true? Yes, it is totally true. I looked their engagement ceremony photos on her Facebook profile. I still don't believe it. She just had passed her graduation. Yes, but God knows what made her get engaged. I am as curious to know as you are. She had invited one of my friend at her engagement ceremony, but me. Oh, I feel bad as you weren't invited. Maybe it happened all of a sudden that she didn't get time to send invitations to others. It seemed to be. She seemed very joyous to me. When will her wedding be occurred? Her wedding is likely to be occurred by next year. Are you sure? Yes, she captioned it in her Facebook story though. As long as I know her, she will send her wedding invitation to her friends on Facebook only. Oh, you are right, she is a social butterfly.
Hello Ross, what's up? Hey Matt. I had been given a lot of burden of this project. I finished it just now. It is so boring. What about you? Well, I am pretty fed up doing extra work too. Do you know about Scarlett? No, what's wrong? She's got fired. Oh, I see. She must be in sorrow now. That's obvious, as she was acquainted with the marketing management. Lately, she was so stressed about something. How did you know? Actually, she and I was in a same group of management project. She seems very gloomy and silent at the office, and couldn't even complete her assignment on time. What's exact problem? Was she sad about something? I guess so. She never opened up her feelings with any of her colleagues. It is so piteous. There was also one rule she would have broken. Which one? She was on and off at the office, and she come late as well. That may have a main cause to get fired. Yes, there are lots of employees were fired because of coming late at the office. You are right, rules may have very strict in this company, but it is worth